Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suziestouches the Gele Guru. So today guys, I'm going to show how I style the price model. I'm the one tying the price model Gele. So I want to show you the whole process, like living on how I style my price model. Guys, so she wanted a V with this round of a thing that it's not height, like she wanted to go to the back. So that is what she wanted. So at this particular point, my measurement is 70/30. So I try and make sure that my plate is 6. Can you see 1 2 3 4 5 6? My plate is 6. So I'm starting from the left hand side because I use left. I'm starting from the left hand side. Then I made my pleats. Then to the back, I'm just going to make sure that I arrange those pleats simultaneously on each other, just to leave a space, just like half an inch. And I'm going to tell my model to hold it for me, the makeup artist rather, sorry, to hold it for me. Then I'll make sure that the short hand comes up. This is my 30 for the measurement. So the longer hand, can you see, the longer hand is 70. I'm going to make sure my longer hand goes under, whereby my short hand comes up. Can you see guys? So at this particular point, I'm still going to make 6 plates, depending on your choice of the initial plate that you made. But the thing is, it must be the same number of plates that you pick for your left. That is what you're doing for your right. Did you get that? It is the same number of plates they are picking for your right. That is what you are picking for your left. So at this particular point, I was trying to pick my plate. If you can see, trying to pick my plate. This is the 6th one. Trying to pick my plate on it. And guys, please like, follow, and share. Tell your friends this is the YouTube channel that you need. I'm leaving no tables unturned, no eating technique. I'm showing you guys everything. So guys, at this particular point, I'm trying to just press the gele, because this particular fabric of gele, it is called loom. It is always very sleek. So for it to be more sleeker, you have to try as much as possible to press it and make sure the thing is well laid. Guys, please try as much as possible to practice this particular style after watching this video. So I try as much as possible to pin it at that side. I try as much as possible to pin it at that side, so it's just going to make it stay. So when you're trying to pin, you should make sure that the pin is entering and it is coming out. That is when it's going to still very, very well. So at this particular point, my longer hand, that is my 70, I brought it to the other side. Can you see? So at this particular point in time, I was using pin to hold it at that particular point, so it's actually going to stay. The size she wanted is just something cross at the front, and something not too big, something very small, something unique, something not the regular type of gele that would tie. She wants something very simple. She's a very simple person. So she's the bride's mother, but very, very simple person. So at this particular point, she said she didn't want a gele that has height. So I'm going to make sure that all the pleats I'm picking, the pleats are all going to the back. particular point, I'm trying to adjust it because she just wants all the pleats going to the back. Can you see? So at this particular point, my first tip, that's my first base. I'm going to pin it with the base, first base. Yes, my tip, pin it with the base. So this is how it looks like. Then I'm now going to adjust all the whole pleats all together. It's going to come to where I pinned my first initial pleats and base. You get? So this is me trying to make sure that all those pleats, they align with each other. So at this particular point, I'm just going to hold it, then turn it over, then I'm going to pin it down. Guys, please try as much as possible to try out this style. Try and practice. Not just come to my YouTube channel, watch, and just leave, just believe that okay, I have the idea. No, just try as much as possible to practice. When you practice, you know, okay, I can do this particular style. So at this particular point, I'm just trying to look for a particular place to pin the remaining fabric, the excess fabric, so the back is actually going to look like very, very neat and very, very nice. Guys, please try as much as possible to practice. Follow me on Instagram at Suziestouches. Follow me on YouTube. Share, like, and drop a comment. What do you feel about this particular style? The makeup artist, if you like her work, the makeup artist, she is Ewa Woman Makeovers. You can follow her on Instagram. She's available to travel. Guys, can you see that it looks all this very, very nice? All these mommy geos that you don't want something extra, something excess. This is just the best and perfect style for you. This looks like a turban, but it is actually okay. Guys, please try as much as possible to practice. So at this particular point, I'm just adjusting this the paparazzi. I'm through with my Gele. Guys, check it out. So follow me to where we are wearing mommy's jewelry. Her jewelry is so beautiful. She's so, look at the makeup, very clean. Look, the makeup look like herself. Look at it, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. This is me trying to tie mommy's wrapper. This is me. This is the makeup artist. Guys, please and please follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok at Suziestouches. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate. Bye.